Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Welcome to my media channel, and we're doing another unboxing slash mini review today of this title from Discotek Media, The Legend of Calamity Jane. Now, I cannot believe I'm actually holding this. I thought I would never see this show again. So, The Legend of Calamity Jane was a Warner Brothers television animation show that premiered on Kids WB in 1997, and the whole idea was that they wanted to make an action series for females, like that it would appeal to both girls and boys. You know, they had some success with Batman, with Superman, things like that. And they aired a few episodes, but then the show was pulled and it never returned. Now, what was the reason for that? Well, this was just a very unfortunate thing. The answer lies with this, because shortly after this show premiered, an event called Columbine shooting happened, and well, the world changed. All of a sudden, you couldn't make kids shows with guns anymore because kids might actually go to a school and shoot it up. And unfortunately, that's become way more common, but that's a topic that is well beyond this channel's scope. So the show was unfairly canceled, never came back, and it's a shame. This was a really good show. I haven't seen the whole thing, actually, because, well, it never came back. I did watch the first couple episodes on Tubi recently. I don't know if it's still there by the time you watch this video, but yeah. And it holds up, so I'm looking forward to watching it. Now, this, as you'll notice, is a standard definition on Blu-ray. People do ask, well, why do you get a Blu-ray with standard definition? Well, you can fit more episodes on a Blu-ray, and it's still going to look better than a DVD. On the back, there's just a description of the show, and as you can see, very basic features. 1x33, 13 episodes on one disc. That's why they do it on Blu-ray. It is Region A. It's unrated. It was Y7 when it premiered. That sounds about right, to be honest. And let's take a look and see. Oh yeah, I do like this little artwork of Calamity Jane on the side. And yeah, it's the same image. So let's open this and let's look at the discs and everything that's in it. Always. So you take this off and you have a completely different image compared to the slipcover. Now, I don't know if the slipcover is going to be a forever thing. I can't imagine them making this this set forever. Can you just stay right there, please? I guess not. Okay. Well, anyway, we're going to move on. And on the back, the back is the same. You open, and you have your one disc, Legend of Calamity Jane, and you have this nice little artwork. So if you want to flip it, you can do just that. And that is the Legend of Calamity Jane. I think this set retails for $30. I personally think it is totally worth it. Now, one of the things about this project I probably should mention, they actually did like a Kickstarter to get this thing restored and released on DVD, and then Discotek picked it up after that Kickstarter. So the Kickstarter actually had like a stretch goal to animate one new episode of the show if it reached that goal. I don't think they actually hit that goal because only 13 episodes are here. And of course, there's some controversy because when you kickstart things, you're supposed to publish it yourself, but then when someone picks it up, it's like, well, then they're paying for those expenses. What are the Kickstarter people getting out of it? And again, a topic that's kind of beyond what this channel is. Well, maybe not. Maybe that could be a separate video, but I am just happy to have it on physical media. This is why physical media is important, because this show was basically lost media for a long time, and now it's back, and people can imagine what might have been. I know that a TV show getting canceled is on the lower scale of things to worry about when there's a massive tragedy like Columbine, but it does make you wonder, aside from just what the world would be like if Columbine had never happened, you know, would this show have been like the big hit that it could have been had it not had its life cut short because of an outside force? So, you know, just one of those things. Anyway, would like to know, do any of you have this? What do you think about it? Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.